My name is Alex Detorres. I work for a biotech company called Genentech, help in the process of making pharmaceutical medication for patients around the world. I think the most part is that going in every day, I know that what I do, the outcome, I guess, affects and impacts people around the world. I learned so much every day. I think it's just a learning thing. So that's one of the benefits of not having setbacks. Is you just learn and you just keep learning. And I think that's what's fun for me is that I learn something new all the time, and just that kind of hunger to just learn more and learn more about science and all the things. It's preferred to have a science background, a degree of some sorts, but it's not required.